Hello student, good morning and welcome to everyone in my class. Through in this video, you will see solution of exercise 15.1 onward question number 4. So in this question, it has been said that 1 meter cube of ice weight 900 kg. What is the weight of a cubical block of ice of size 0.5 meter? Okay. So children, we have given 1 centimeter cube of ice weight equal to 900 kg. So we need to find the weight of cubical block of ice of size 0.5 meter. So we have to first calculate the volume of the cubical block of ice of size 0.5 centimeter. So we recall the previous discussion. The volume of cube is calculated by side power 3. Okay. So this means given side equal to 0.5 of cubical block of ice meter. So therefore the volume of cubical block of ice equal to 0.5 meter power cube. Okay. Now simplify. So this can be written as 0.5 meter into 0.5 meter and 0.5 meter. Okay. Now multiply 0.5. So I get 125 meter cube. 0.125 meter cube. Okay. 5 by 125. So I get 0.125 meter cube. And also say find its weight. Okay. So here given the weight of 1 centimeter cube of ice. Okay. Given that the weight of 1 centimeter cube ice, 1 centimeter cube of ice equal to 900 kg. Okay, 900 kg. So therefore the weight of 0.125 meter cube, weight of 0.125 meter cube of ice equal to, this would be equal to 0.125 into 900 kg. Okay, 0.125 into 900 kg. Okay, now multiply 0.125 to 900 kg. So that is we get 112.5 kg. Okay, 112 cubical block of ice whose volume is 0.125 meter cube. Okay, so this is the weight of a cubical block of ice of size 0.5 meter. Okay. Okay children, now move to the next questions. Question number 5. Okay, so in this question it has been said that a metal block of length 4 cm, breadth 3 cm and height 2.5 cm, weight 500 gram. Then we have to ask what is the mass of a block of length 5 cm, breadth 4 cm and height 3 cm made of the same metal. Okay, so children, first we have to find the volume of metal block of length 4 cm, breadth 3 cm, height 2.5 cm. Okay, so let us calculate first the volume of the metal block. Okay, so given length is, we have length equal to 4 cm, breadth equal to 3 cm and height equal to 2.5 cm. So the volume of metal block, volume of metal block would be equal to length into breadth into height, means L into B into H. So here substitute the given value of LBH. This is 4 cm into 3 cm into 2.5 cm. So after multiplication I get 30 centimeter cube. Okay, 30 centimeter cube, the volume of the metal block of length 4 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter and height 2.5 centimeter. So we can say the weight of metal block, weight of metal block, weight of metal block of 30 centimeter cube, block of volume 30 centimeter cube equal to 500 gram. This is given. Okay, so dear folks, weight of metal block of volume 1 centimeter cube equal to 500 divided by 3. 30 grams equal to 50 by 3 gram. Okay, 50 by 3 gram. Okay, then we have to ask what is the mass of the block of length 5 cm, breadth 4 cm and height 3 cm. So therefore volume of the block of length the volume of another block. Okay, the volume of another block whose length is given 5 cm, breadth equal to 4 cm and height equal to 3 cm. Okay, so volume equal to another block equal to, this is 5 cm into 4 cm into 3 cm. 3 cm, 5 4 जा 20, 60. Okay, 60 centimeter cube. Okay, the volume of the metal block of length 5 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter, height 3 centimeter. Here would I get 60 centimeter cube. So therefore the mass of the block equal to, therefore the mass of the block equal to, the mass of the block equal to, this is 60 into, here we have find out the weight of 1 centimeter cube. Volume of metal block equal to 50 by 3 gram. Okay, now simplify. So 60 is divided by 3, we get 20. Okay, and 20 into 50, 0 gram. 1500, 50 into 2 is 10, 1000 gram. And we know 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So therefore we can write in 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. Okay, so the mass of the block of length 5 cm and breadth 4 cm, height 3 cm is equal to 1 kg. Okay, this is the answer. Okay student, further move to the question number 6. In this question it had been said that how many cubical blocks of side 50 centimeter can be cut. Okay, can be cut from a cubical block of wood of side 1 centimeter. Okay, so such type of problem will be done by first to finding the volume of cubical block of side 1 centimeter. Okay, the volume of cubical block of side 1 meter is divided by, we ask cubical block of side 50 centimeter. Okay, so number of number of cubical blocks equal to the volume of, okay, volume of cubical block outside 1 centimeter, volume of cubical block, volume of cubical block of wood, volume of cubical block of wood outside 1 meter upon volume of cubical block of side 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter. Okay, so this implies the volume of cubical block outside 1 meter. This would be equal to 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter divided by 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter. Okay, so here we can see the numerator quantity in given meter. So we have to change in centimeter. So this will be 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter upon divided by 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter. So we can cancel from 1010 centimeter from numerator and denominator, also 0 centimeter 0 centimeter. Okay, and this would be 2 times also divided by 2 times. So now multiply 2 into 2 into 2. So we get 2 into 2 equal to 8. Okay, so number of the cubical block of side 50 centimeter can be getting from a wood, a cubical block of wood side 1 meter equal to 8. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay children, now again move to the next problem. This is question number 7, and in this question it has been said that how many boxes of length 5 cm, breadth 3 cm and height 2 cm can be packed in a curtain of length 25 cm, breadth 50 cm and height 10 cm. Okay, so similarly this is same as the previous question. Okay, so we have to find the number of boxes equal to divided the volume of curtain by the volume of one boxes. Okay, so number of boxes equal to number of boxes equal to volume of curtain, volume of curtain upon volume of box. Okay, volume of curtain divided by volume of box. Okay, so volume of curtain would be given length, breadth and height. This is 25 centimeter, breadth is 15 centimeter, and height is given 10 centimeter. This divided by the volume of boxes means length is 5 centimeter into breadth is 3 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter. So this is 5 5 25, 3 5 15, and 2 5 10. Okay. Now multiply 5 into 5 equal to 125. Okay. So total number of boxes of length 5 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter, and height 2 centimeter can be divided in a curtain of length 25 centimeter, breadth 15 centimeter, and height 10 centimeter is equal to 125. So this is the required answer of question number 7.